Hey everyone. So, I'm out of breath. I was moving potted tomatoes. I wanted to do a quick video for you because everything's in a state of disaster right now. So, we were taking up the floor and there's flooring under the flooring, and that flooring is really hard to get up. It's like from late 60s, early 70s, and the glue, it's black, because I went through this in the bathroom, so I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. And back then, I was physically more able, and it literally took a putty knife and a hammer, not a chisel, because the tile is so thin that you needed a thinner thing to get under it. So there's that. And then I turned on the self-cleaning mode on the oven, and something happened and everything shut off and the oven was locked. So my husband, I guess through YouTube, of course, figured out how to use the hanger like you'd unlock your car, I guess. And there's no oven door on there now. And then last night when I was cooking on the stove, it shut off. So, all by itself. So I don't know what's happening, but I've got canning to do. So after I make this candy, that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to try it and hope for the best. So my kitchen's a disaster. The oven has no door on it. That's where I store my Lodge pots. It's going to be in the hundreds, so I don't want to right now work on shelving in the garage for the pots. And I don't want to start canning until my husband's here in case things go out like it did last night. There's not been a problem, but it turned off by itself just cooking pork chops last night. So, worst comes to worst, I have a propane stove oven that I can set up outside. So, yeah, I just wanted to update you all. I haven't quit or anything like that. It's just, life is happening, man. And it's not the fun parts. So, and in the middle of summer when it's just fixing to, are you all fixing to get a heat wave? I will say the sun is shining, so I'm happy for that. No rain. But the mosquitoes are absolutely hideous. They love me. You know, I thought it was one of the first things I said with chemo is, well, I won't get ate by mosquitoes anymore. I figured I'd be so toxic. But no, they still love me. So now I just hope that they die after biting me. I figure my blood can't be fantastic for them. But yeah, so no rain. But we do have the heat wave coming. So I guess a lot of people do. Over 100. So that's not good outdoor weather. I do have some tomatoes producing Egyptian onions. I should show you how I got scammed on Etsy. So I guess I should show you guys what your seeds should look like and what I got. So yeah, I got scammed on Etsy. And those have yet to have sprout, so I'm going to try some again in a pot and see what happens. I don't know if it's too hot. I don't want to overwater because then they'll rot. So I don't know. I don't know, y'all. And yeah. Just one of those years. Just one of those years. So anyways, what I'm making, my husband really likes the cookies and cream bark. So I have some white chocolate. You don't have to use white chocolate. You can use the bark that you get at the grocery store. A lot of people use at Christmas. You can get that. It's a lot less expensive. I just have this from making candy for other things, so I want to get it used up. So yeah, I have a makeshift double boiler. I'm going to melt this down, and then I have some Oreos, and we'll break those up and pour the chocolate over them, pop it in the refrigerator, and it's easy peasy. So doing that, so I'll see you all when this is melted and we'll get her done. Okay, our chocolate is about melted. Just stir it up. You really just need to get the excuse me, allergies. Get the bowl hot and just stir it. You kind of want it the consistency of pudding. Ooh, that smells like straight sugar. Are you a sweet or a savory person? I like savory. Like this, I think I would have a little bite and that would do me. Okay. And you want to make sure that you do not get water in your candy. And I'm just going to break up some cookies. Or you can chop them up with a knife, whatever's easiest for you. But everybody I make this for seems to like finding those big chunks in your candy. And you can do them as big or as small as you want if you prefer little bitty pieces or crunched or smashed or whatever. I wanted to do some circles like cookies. Not that small. Those are for, what do you call those? Macaroons. Okay. Just spread it out. And I'm going to, if that chocolate is too hot for you to touch, you've got it too hot. It should never burn you. Never, ever, ever. So if you've ever wondered when working with chocolate and it's burned you, things aren't working out, it's too hot. Too hot. Too hot to handle. I think I need to drink a lot of water. Feeling kind of funny. Okay. And then just get those cookies covered. Move it around. Made a bunch of this for Easter and I did some molds of it. What did I do? I think eggs. Egg shapes. And that was the favorite out of all the candy. Just get it mixed into the chocolate. covered up. And then spread it out. You don't want it too thick because when it hardens, you want to be able to chew it or bite it, whatever. I just got really hot. I see those strings of chocolate and I'm thinking it's hair. Do you guys ever do that? I think you've got a foreign object and it's nothing. Okay. I have no idea what I'm making for dinner. Been having a lot of salads and sandwiches. Do you all tend to do that in the summer? Get more, I guess it'd be veggie based. Okay. So I'm just trying to even it out and at the same time make sure that we're covered in chocolate. See, do you see that? It can't be hair because that would be a lot of dang hair. I see these strings and it's freaking me out a little bit. I guess I would have seen that when I was melting the chocolate. Guess I'd be mad if I bought hairy chocolate. Okay. I've got puddles of chocolate, bald cookies. What are you munching on, Belle? Belle is progressing through just observing her. She was a feral dog. She's learning to love being loved, which is good. So I think she lived her whole life on the streets. She wasn't doing very well because she was really, really skinny. Now she's getting porky. Okay. The more I mess with it, the more I uncover some of it. I don't think I did quite enough chocolate for the amount of cookie I put in there. But it'll be yummy anyway. It will, it will, it will. And I'm going to pop this in the fridge. And when that comes out, I will show you it. And now I'm going to wash my chocolate covered fingers. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, it is cold. It is set up. And it is thick. I should have done it thinner. But it just didn't seem like my chocolate was wanting to spread. Of course, it's thick with cookie. Look at there. So you just break it up. I don't know how big he wants these pieces. So he can break off what he wants. And I'm just going to put it in a Ziploc bag and he can take it to the base and have his candy. I should probably make him some granola too. So that's all I'm doing. So if you have any questions, post them down below. I will have some canning videos and stuff. You might be, I don't know if you want them or not, but some outdoor cooking if things don't get fixed. Would you like to see? Look, you guys, can you see? Well, you can't see. There's Mom and her snow door. So, what the hell? My life right now. So, that's the oven. So anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Enjoy your summer. I hope your luck is better than mine right now. And yeah. Bye.